Hi guys, my name is Stephenson and I have choreographed your East Coast Swing Megastar dance. It's called Wildcard and the music is called Wildcard, also by Hunter Hayes. The sequence goes A, B, A, B, 8 count tag, back into B, and then you go back into A again. Now, I've already recorded this whole thing once, the whole teach, and then when I looked at the video, I have no head. So hence the way I look like I have just run a marathon. I videoed it with music, and then again, I had no head. So I'm going to try and stay right at the back as much as I can, so hopefully it records the whole of me and not just my body. Okay, so it's a one-wall dance. You face the front each time on A and B. I'm going to start with A, and then we'll go into section B, then the tag, and then I'll run through it all together. Okay, so you start with your left foot. You wait on your left foot, you're going to hitch the right on count and 1, hold 2. Cross the left foot for 3, kick 4, weave 5 and 6. We're going to chaîné for 7 and 8. 7 and 8, face the back on count 1. Wait on your right foot, 1, hold 2. Sailor with the left, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 with the right. We're going to do a turning weave. So you're going to step your left foot behind for 7 and 8. You're kind of facing this corner, but it just keeps rotating. From here, you're going to slide 1, 2, hold the 2. Let's do that from the top. 6, stay here, 7, 8, hitch 1, hold 2, cross 3, jab 4, 5 and 6, chaîné and 8, 1, hold 2, sailor 3 and 4, right foot 5 and 6, weave 7 and 8, 1, hold 2. From here, we're going to triple to the corner, 3 and 4, rock and cover on the right, 5, 6, triple back, 7 and 8, we're going to do a slide back, 1, hold 2, prep, 3, hold 4, double turn, and 7 and 8. Yes, let's try all of that from the top. 5, 6, so weights on your left, hitch 1, hold 2, 3, jab 4, and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, hold 2, sailor 3 and 4, right foot, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, hold 2, triple 3 and 4, rock, 6, 7 and 8, slide 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, and hop, 7 and 8. So let's carry on. You're going to triple to the right. 1 and 2, quarter turn, 3 and 4. So you wait on your left foot. We're going to kick to the corner. 5 and 6, and then we're going to angle ourselves up to the corner. 5 and 6, skate, 7, 8. We're still facing the corner. We step to the right for 1, tap, 2, recover, 3, hitch, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 together, 8. On count 8, you're going to face the corner again. From here, 7, 8, we're going to jab the right foot forwards. 1 side, 2 and 3, 4. We're going to switch again, and 5 and 6 and rock back, 7, recover, 8. Let's do all that again. I'm going to come a bit further forward just in case I've got no head again. Let's go from the beginning. 6, 7, 8, hitch 1, hold 2, 3, jab 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, hit the 1, hold 2, left sailor, right sailor, weave and 1, hold 2, triple 3 and 4, 5, 6, triple 7 and 8, slide 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6 and 7 and triple to the side, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Step 1, tap 2, so you're tapping your left foot, 3, hitch 4, 5 and 6 and 7 to the corner, 8. Jab the right foot, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, rock 7, 8. So as you can see, we're going back to the back diagonal. From here, so you've just done your rock recover, 7, 8. Now I can't do these jumps, old lady here. It's called a butterfly jump, I think. So you rock back, 7, 8, you're going to jump, and literally kind of lie flat. So rock, recover, 1, 2, 3, 4. As long as you've got your feet together by 4, doesn't matter how long you take to get there. 3, 4. The option for that bit is rock, recover, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, together, 4. From here, we've got switch and switch, shoulder, shoulder. I think I might have counted that last bit a little bit wrong, but we'll go from the beginning. And that is the end of part A. So let's just do that again from the beginning, just for me, because I think I might have done a few counts wrong at the end. So from the top, 6, 7, 8, and 1, hold, 2, 3, jab, 4, 5 and 6, spin, 7 and 8, 1, hold, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, weave, 7 and 8, 1, hold, 2, triple 3 and 4, 5, 6, triple 7 and 8, slide, 1, 2, 3, 4, double turn and 7 and 8, right, left, triple, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, skate, 7, 8, 1, tap, 2, 3, hitch, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, kick, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, I don't think I did count it wrong, 3, 4.5 and 6, shoulder, 7 and 8. So that's the end of part A, 7 and 8. Part B, we're starting with a roll to the left. 1, hold, 2, back, 3, hitch, 4. He says something about wild cards, so go wild. 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, 3, hitch, 4. Now from here, you're going to put that knee down and slide. I can't actually do it on this floor and with these old knees. That's slide across the floor. 5, hold, 6, 7, together, 8. Poor knees. Option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just a slide and 2 walks. 7, 8. All you young ones, make sure you go on your knee. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your next part. So let's go from the beginning of part B again. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hitch, 4, 5, 6, 7, together, 8. You're scuffing the right foot first. 1, heading towards the diagonal. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should be facing the diagonal. From here, we're doing a step half turn. Stepping forwards on the right foot. 1, 2, triple half turn, 3 and 4, straighten up, 5 and 6, kick, 7 and 8. From the top, 6, 7, roll it, 1, 2, 3, hitch, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, scuff, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, kick, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh sorry, I didn't even teach that bit. So we've just done the scuffs, let's do the scuffs again. 7 and scuff, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Would help if I taught you what's next. Now from here you're going to do a ball change step and 1, 2, 3, 4. Unwind, make sure your weight goes on the left foot on count 4. From here we're rocking forwards. 5, recover, 6, chaîné turns 2, 7 and 8, and step back on 1. Putting your weight on that foot on count 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever you want to do there, bring your feet together on count 4. Let's go from the scuffs. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, triple 3 and 4, 5 and 6, kick 7 and 8. 1, 2, face the front. 5, 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3 together, 4. From here we're going to jab. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, transfer the weight on 2, triple, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. It says something about a shooting star. Okay, so you've just done your chaîné turns, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 together, 4, kick 5, 6, 7, 8. Down 1, 2, right foot. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. With your right foot, you're going to step a quarter turn. 8. From here, we're rocking back on the left foot for 1, 2, triple 3 and 4. Step, half turn, quarter. As you point, you can do what you want with your arms here. Point, drop down, all the way down onto your knee. So you should literally be here on 7, 8. Again, you've just done your chaînés, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 together, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, triple 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're on our knee. To get up, you're going to do another shimmy. 1, 2, 3, that's to stand up. 1, 2, 3, keep your weight on your right foot. 4, rock, recover. 5, 6, triple across. 7 and 8. You're going to triple around. 1 and 2 with the left, then with the right. Square up to the front. 3 and 4, 2 sailor steps. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Easy peasy. From the knee. So 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hitch, 4. Rock, recover, triple step. Round you go, triple step. Sailor step, sailor step. Last 8 counts of B. You're going to cross your left foot over. 1, jab, 2, 3, jab, 4. Step, half turn. We're going to triple, a turning triple. 7 and 8 and 1. Hold 2 to start again. Okay, so that's A and B. Remember the sequence goes A, B. The second time round you go A, B, 8 count tag. So after that B, after you've done this the second time round, you've got a tag. So I'll show you the tag. So we've just done 5, 6, the end of B, 7 and 8 into your tag. Right and 1. So that's point 1. You're going to flip the leg on 2 as high as you can. 2, cross 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Just heel bounces. Ready to go into part B again, which is roll, 2, 3, hitch, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, let me just do that one more time. And then I will do all of B into the tag together. Ready, 7 and, so this is the last part of B, 7 and 8, and 1, flick, 2, 3, 4, out, heels, 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 ready to do your roll. Yep, so we go from the rolls, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, hitch, 4, 5 on your knee, 7 together, 8, scuff, right, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, triple 3 and 4, 5 and 6, kick 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 to the front, 5, 6, 7 and 8, step back on the right, shimmy, shimmy together, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, rock, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, point, drop, shimmy, 2, 3, hitch, 4, 5, 6, 7 and curve it, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, step, jab, step, turn, triple step and point, flick, that is your tag and 5, 6, 7 into B again, 2, 3, 4. So A, B, tag, B, A. You should see that on the music video. Hopefully, if you can follow that okay. If you've got any questions, please feel free to message me on Facebook. I hope you all get that okay, and good luck.